Huh?
You should have bought me a tea. Which one?
I can't hear you.
I said you should have.
Hey y'all, I'm back on another video. I got like this
I didn't go get that. Jerome did.
squishy,
He brought me one back.
sparkly duck, y'all. It's made for ORB, the same brand. I got two different colors of them. I got pink. It was a purple one, but I didn't get the purple one. I saved some for y'all. They did not have no little needles. And I got this. I got the yellow duck. I should lie.
Did that call you?
No. Yeah, I gotta find it, y'all. It's somewhere in here. I can't find it. I can't. Okay. This isn't let out. Right here. Yeah, right here, y'all. I got this from a different Pablo, so yeah. But it don't matter. I got all three different colors. I got green. Then I got a blind bag.
Well, you gonna knock that juice over with your elbow.
And then I got a mystery squishy.
Who you doing that to?
Next I got this blind bag.
That stuff gonna keep you wind up getting you in trouble. I know it is.
And I got a pink glitter rubber duckly. Slow rising squishy. Yeah, I'll be right back. Lastly, I got a jumbo. Like squishy like the needle. But it's like a regular brand, y'all. I'm hot in here, y'all. So, first let's start with the last. This one will be like. Did I get blue? Yes, I will go to blue. Green. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that, y'all. So, we're going to start with blue, green, and then pink, y'all. And then I just start with pink, and then blue, y'all.